I think we want more than just hotels in this city. I think it's not a choice between what the developers want and the people building the hotels want. It's not a choice between that and dereliction. We have so many empty buildings across the city that are being left there just to basically accumulate in value. And here we have the Cobblestone. They're talking about knocking down the music venue, which is a cultural hub for so many people around in this area. And so I think we can say that no, we don't actually have to accept that false dichotomy between, developers or nothing at all. I think we want homes, not hotels, and we want culture and not vultures.
One day as I went on my rambles between Swinford and Sweet Ballylee, I met a fair maid on my rambles. Her name it was Mary McGee. She sighed for the love of her country, Michael Davitt, her true Irish boy, who is now in a prison in Portland, far from the lovely sweet banks of the Moy. I boldly approached this fair maiden, saying, "What is the cause of your woe? And what is the cause of your memory that has forced you to leave your own home?" She said, "It's the cause of old Ireland, Michael Davitt, my true Irish boy, who is now in a prison in Portland, far from the lovely sweet banks of the Moy."
We really cannot afford to keep giving our city to these investors, to keep giving up to the speculators. Clearly this area has been left derelict on purpose. We at CATU have a campaign against national dereliction to try and fight against that, because it is done so that they can sell for more, so that they can turn this into a hotel, so that they can turn other spaces into build to rent or co-living. This is not what we need for community building, for community spirit, for us to truly feel like we live here and the city belongs to us. So first of all, I would just like to invite anyone here who does not benefit from the commodification of land, anyone who's not a landlord. CATU is a union for you. We're fighting for whatever you want. We're fighting for community spaces, for livable housing. So if you are interested, catuireland.org.
Don't speak now of cruel 67. We had brave men and true men, There was one man, young Peter Kearney, who fell in Killarney below. He was trained by my darling, my David, on the valleys and plains near Fermoy. Now he's off in a prison in Portland, far from the lovely sweet banks of the Moy.
CATU is an action tenants union. We are for direct action. So whatever way the DCC ruling goes, obviously please get all of your forms filled out by the 4th. Please make sure that you do that and you let them know how upset we are. But if they come back and say they don't care, that Embord Planala just wants to go ahead, that they need this hotel for money, be aware, we won't end there. We are about direct action. We are about making sure that they're not able to destroy this cultural foundation in Dublin 7 in Smithfield here. So thank you so much, and I hope we have a great march today.
And so to conclude and to finish, I hope that the day will soon come when the cruel bankers and gangsters from the Isle of St. Patrick run will unfold every green and gold banner and will raise them for Ireland on high. and we'll welcome our brave Michael Davitt to the lovely sweet banks of the Moy.